You have teeth? I don't think I ever seen you smile before.
I'm not smiling. I'm gassy, okay?
Hold it right there, Glitch! And Wreck-It Ralph.
Uh-oh. Start the cart! Start the cart! What are you waiting for? Come on, let's go!
I don't know how to drive a real cart.
You don't what? Are you hurt, sire?
No, he just glazed me. Get them!
Gangway!
Stop in the name of the king! That's me!
Get off the road! Head for Giant Cola Mountain! Drive into the wall!
What?
Right there between the two sugar-free lollipops!
Are you crazy?
Just do
Where'd they go? We just turned. Find that Glitch. Destroy that cart. She can't be allowed to race.